Eva Trades.
Hey, welcome to the risk management series, and this is day 4. The sunset's setting, looking beautiful, as are you, my friends, and thanks for joining me here. Let's go get it. Day trading is risky, so you know what I'm gonna say. You gotta do it. Trade in a simulator. Welcome to Eva Trades. My name is Josh. So here's my progress so far. 3 days of trading. 2 of those happened in one day, this day, and this is the third one that's happening this day. And so far, I am 3 green days in a row, up $576. Here are my rules. Daily max loss is $400. If I'm green and give back half, I'm done. I can take no more than 4 positions to start the day, and if I hit my daily goal of $200, I can choose to keep trading. One thing I noticed in the last video that I just did is that I, at one point, was risking more than half. As a matter of fact, had I gotten stopped out, I would have been down by about probably $150 on the day. So I got to be careful and watch myself, and don't be so quick to take that kind of risk. So here we go. It is October 27th. We have 5 minutes to go till the market open as I push play. And again, only 3 stocks to watch. So we'll start with AGFS here on the 5-minute time frame. We've been stair-stepping up with higher lows and higher highs. You see the higher low. Excuse me, got something there. And a higher high and a higher low and a higher high and a higher low and a higher high and a double bottom right there. So what we have here is a head and shoulders. It's not textbook, but you got your shoulder, you got your head, and you got a little tiny shoulder. It didn't give us much of a shoulder. I would have liked to have seen a little more of a bounce before the breakdown, but nonetheless, the bears are breaking that support right now. We'll see if they can continue to push that price down. What we are doing is consolidating on the 15-minute time frame right here. So we have an hourly inside bar. Maybe we see an equilibrium, possibly. We can pull all the way back to 242 and still maintain that inside bar. So that's a possibility. And that was this, the 242. Yeah, that is that level. That was our last inside bar. And let's see what that looked like on the 5-minute, just for gits and jiggles here. That was 242. Was that the right one? Let me take a look at this again. Inside bar didn't really give. Wow. Yeah, that is the right one. A little different setup than what I thought I was going to see. Okay, so what are we looking for here? So looking for a possible equilibrium on the 15-minute time frame. We want to see a trend change right now. Choppy on the 1 minute. Bulls buying the dip. Can we get over the top of 259? I want to see the bulls, the price top out up here somewhere, pull back and break through 259 to give us continuation here on the 5-minute and break above this level. NRBO, nice move, pulling back, consolidating on the 15-minute. It's an hourly inside bar. Right now, we've pulled back enough here that we're only looking for a lower high. We're trading below the VWAP. I would expect a lower high somewhere around $11 and then the price to go back down. Bulls want to hold 1007 on that pullback and break through 11 to, if we get top out at 11, bulls want to see it pull back and then break through 11 again to change this trend back to the bulls and see the temporary bottom on the 15-minute on this pullback. So kind of keep an eye on that. And the first, yeah, okay. So shop, not something I trade very often. I have traded it in the past. Breaking the high of yesterday. Right now double topping at around 31.51. We have higher lows and higher highs on the 5-minute time frame. Consolidating right below that high of pre-market, which is pretty nice. So healthy consolidation, just looking for a higher low. Anywhere above, well, technically way down here, $30, but we certainly don't want to pull back that far. I'd say 30.77 could be a good level. You've also got this one here, which coincides with the VWAP. I'll get rid of both of those lines because I don't want to look at either one of those. Don't know where we're going to pull back to exactly. We didn't form a good higher low on the way up. So we'll just keep an eye on it, see what kind of price action we get when the market opens, which is in 1 minute. So bear's not getting a lot of follow through off of that support break. We did top out up here and we pulled back, but we pulled back more than I would have wanted. But we'll see what happens at the market opens. When the market opens, sometimes we can get a flood of buyers or a flood of sellers that can negate any kind of pattern that you see. And that's in about 20 seconds. So we have a downtrend on the 1 minute time frame now on shop. We had an equilibrium, high, low, lower, high, higher, low, bull break, back test, lower, high, lower, low. So we want to see a trend change on this 1 minute back to the bulls to know that the 5 minute higher low is set. I want to see us break 3140. I do like shop for its potential. 20 seconds to go till I can place a trade. And our BO maybe pulling back to that support down there. I don't know though, shop on the 15 minute might need to consolidate. But I might take a trade on it here. I'll go ahead and see if we break through the high. Charts are frozen, I think, or something. Okay, I'm selling half there. And I'm going to sell the rest there and then see if we pull back from there. Or maybe we just keep on going. That's a stronger break than I was expecting. For sure. All right, I'm going to jump back in it then. I'll sell half again. And I'm going to sell the rest there as we look to pull back right there. I'm back in again now on that pullback. Back in it twice. I'm going to sell some more there, and I'm going to sell the rest right there. So I'm up $230 now, definitely at my daily goal. So that was nice getting in on this pullback. Probably could have held it. It looks like it's going to go higher. Look at bulls buying the dip over here on AGFS. But I really want to get over 259 if I'm going to trade it. Doesn't mean we have to. So now I'm at a point where I could put myself in a position to give back half of my profit again, or I could choose to just stop trading if I wanted. Okay, I was thinking about taking a trade here on shop, but now seeing this pullback, I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Get rid of that. We have a new high. We have a high of day of 31.89. I'm going to go ahead and jump in that and see if it wants to stop me out or not. I could play it for the break through the high of day, but instead I sold it. Let's see what the next candle gives us. Well, that's looking strong. Okay, I'm back in it again. Look at AGFS over there whipping around. See if we get the break through the high. I'll sell it there, look for a pullback. I'm in AGFS over there one time. See if we get the break through the high of day on it. I'll be happy to sell it there for 40 bucks. That's fine. So right now I'm up $355. And there's the break on shop. So I was looking for it to pull back first. I wanted to hop in it. I wasn't going to jump in it here in case it did pull back. And there we go. There's the break on AGFS. Not too bad. Whoops, I probably shouldn't have done that. We got a new candle coming up here. We get back out of it. Look for that candle to drop. It may not. Nice break on shop there. Really nice. Okay. So I'm up 450. Still making moves here on AGFS. But it's got a big spread on it. So I wasn't able to sell for profit, even though it made a move. So I guess I'm going to have to wait and see if it gives me something more. And then not trade it again. If I can get out for some profit on it, I will not trade it again after. Yeah, so I'll get out there. That's a break even. It's got a really, really wide spread. When I get in it, I'm down automatically like 40 bucks. And so, yeah, I'm up 450 on the day. 2.5 times or 2.25 times my daily goal. I should be happy to stop there. And I think I will. Yeah, I think that's going to be it for me. So I am up $450. Let's put that on and let's see what that looks like when I put that in here. So 1027, 450, and we've crossed that $1,000 mark. So it took me 4 days to do it, but there we go. That trend's looking pretty nice, getting a nice cushion. Let's take one more look at the charts. Oh man, I almost want to take this trade here on shop. I really want to. You got an inside bar. Kind of want to take it on AGFS too. Like right there. You buy the, oh, but remember I said I wasn't going to trade it again because it's got a spread. So I'll sell it there, made 20 bucks. No more, man. I'm out. I'm going to leave before I end up doing something stupid. We'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye.